Are you looking for the best down comforters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best down comforters in the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bedsure Queen Comforter Duvet Insert. Bedsure Queen Comforter Duvet Insert is an all-season comforter, containing premium 300 GSM whole-piece polyester fill covered in a 100% microfiber shell. It has multiple size options and designed with box stitch construction that keeps the fluffy fill in place without shifting. This comforter is versatile and easy to care for with 8 durable tabs on each corner and side, and machine washable. What we like: all-season comforter with the right amount of warmth for winter and ultra-softness and coziness for summer. Multiple size options with box stitch construction that keeps the filling in place. Versatile design with 8 durable tabs on each corner and side that doubles as a duvet insert to match bedding preference. Easy to care for with gentle machine wash and fluffing. Number 2. EASELAND Soft Quilted Down Alternative Comforter. The EASELAND all-season comforter is perfect for year-round use, with a soft and breathable fabric that is suitable for any type of decoration. The premium filling provides thermal ability and keeps you warm during the winter nights, while the box stitching technology ensures that the filling stays in place. The comforter is easy to care for and conveniently machine washable. With excellent customer service, any quality issues can be resolved quickly. What we like: soft and breathable fabric suitable for year-round use. Premium filling provides thermal ability for warm and sound sleep. Box stitching technology ensures filling stays in place for long-lasting durability. Easy to care for and machine washable for convenience. Excellent customer service for quick resolution of any quality issues. Number 3. COHOME King Cooling Comforter. The COHOME King Cooling Comforter is a versatile and comfortable bedding option perfect for all ages. The whole-piece filling is soft and noiseless while the brushed fabric cover is breathable and reversible. The box stitching ensures that the filling is evenly distributed with no clumping or shifting. The comforter is easy to care for, machine washable, and can be tumble-dried on low heat. With excellent quality and service, this comforter is a great choice for year-round use. What we like: lightweight, soft, machine washable. Number 4. Beautyrest White Down Fiber Comforter. The Beautyrest comforter combines feather and down fibers with a special hypoallergenic treatment, making it perfect for sensitive sleepers. Its lightweight tencel and cotton blend fabric ensures exceptional softness and breathability, providing you with a cozy sleeping experience. Certified for hotel quality, this comforter is fluffy and odorless, offering peace of mind about its cleanliness. Ideal for all seasons, it keeps you warm in winter while staying cool in summer, ensuring comfort year-round. Shake it out and let it air for a few days to maximize its fluffiness and enhance your sleep experience. What we like: hypoallergenic materials, soft and breathable fabric, hotel quality certification, all-season comfort. Number 5. Egyptian Bedding Oversized Goose Down Comforter. The Egyptian Bedding Goose Down Comforter is designed for year-round comfort, offering a perfect balance of warmth and breathability. Its luxurious fill, a blend of 80% goose down fiber and 20% waterfowl feather fiber, ensures that you sleep soundly, enveloped in cloud-like softness. The comforter's 100% Egyptian cotton cover not only enhances comfort but also prevents any leakage of the plush filling. With a baffle box design, it keeps the fill evenly distributed, ensuring you stay warm and cozy all night long. Enjoy the convenience of 8 corner loops and tabs that help anchor your duvet cover, preventing any shifting while you sleep. What we like: year-round comfort, cloud-like softness, even fill distribution, prevents shifting.